So I have a lot of people that come into the office with shoulder pain, and I know a lot of people hear about rotator cuff injuries, and that's true that the rotator cuff does break down over time. There are four muscles that are really associated with the rotator cuff. They're small muscles, and over time they can wear away and cause discomfort and pain. But the position of the shoulder is also really important. So the only way that the shoulder connects to the axial skeleton is at the collarbone here through osseous connection, and the back of the shoulder is supported by muscles, right? So if the shoulder is in a bad position, we're a forward flexion dominated society, and that shoulder rolls forward, then this glenohumeral joint here can be a common area where we see some misalignment. So as that shoulder kind of rolls forward, puts some strain on the labrum, which is like a little donut that sits underneath the shoulder blade there. Some of these rotator cuff muscles in the back might be overworked, overstrained, and the position of the shoulder is just so important to have pain-free range of motion. So we're going to go over a little shoulder adjustment here today with Connor. Connor has some left shoulder pain. She kind of frequently sleeps on that left side. And again, we want to make sure that this glenohumeral joint is in proper alignment. So there's a couple different types of shoulder adjustments. We're just going to go over one here today. So if you go ahead and stand up, please. We've kind of already evaluated her shoulder, and we know that this joint is just a little rough. We have her going through some rotator cuff exercises and strengthening exercises at home to really help out, but we're going to go ahead and I'll have you just grab the front of that left hip there, do just a small little adjustment here. So we're just going to kind of stabilize, and then on 3, 1, 2, 3. Yep, just kind of seating the head of the humerus right into that, cavity where it sits, so there's not too much strain or pressure on the rest of her shoulder. All right, have a great day.